Hi family, welcome back to my channel. It's still your favorite girl, ijeoma florence. Okay, and I want to use this opportunity to thank all my 400 subscribers. You guys are the real MVP. So without much ado, let's unbox this tripod stand. Something happened that made me to make this video. A friend of mine came to my shop the other day, and when she saw how I stood on my tripod with a mannequin head, she was like, IJ, I got tripod stand, but my problem is that I don't know how to stand it. I said, okay. I taught her how she can stand it, okay. And after a few weeks, I was able to got new tripod. I bought two. I have about five or thereabout at my shop, but all in black colors. But this time around, I decided to go for colored tripod. So guess the color, write it on the comment section. So let's unbox it together, okay? So here is the tripod. Can you see the brew is brewing? I so much love this color. Yeah, like I've said, I bought two, but I unboxed one with you guys. And that second one was also a colored one, not black. Okay, so when it comes to tripod, it has three segments, and these three segments have all three buttons that controls all. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys the three segments and the three tabs or the three buttons. Okay, so let's start. I'm showing you the tab or the button. Don't worry if you're confused, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so let's go. This is the first one. So, and here comes the button or the tab. So all you need to do is to gently unscrew it. Okay, then after which you raise this or silver rod up so that your mannequin head can sit on that. Then you screw it back. Make sure you tighten it very well so that your mannequin head will not be dancing, okay, going left and right. Okay, so this first segment. Then the second segment is the pipe that controls the increase and decreasing. Okay, you can use it to increase the size or decrease the size. And here comes the tab. We are coming back to that one. So let's go to the third one. That is the legs. It comes with three legs, or it has three legs. So unscrew the tab too so that you can spread the legs out. Can you see? I'm spreading it. I spread it out, but not too much so that it won't occupy so much space. Okay, so after spreading it, I screwed it back. I tighten it. Okay, so can you see? Now let's go back to the second segment, that is the pipe. So here comes the button. Okay, you unscrew it. Then you raise the pipe up to your desired length. If you want it taller, you keep on pushing it out. If you want it shorter, anyhow you want it. Okay, so after that, make sure you screwed it back very well. So can you see? This is exactly how it should be after standing it. Yeah, let me increase it. I later increase it a little bit. And before I forgot, did I tell you guys that I got new mannequin head as well? I bought the tripod stand, the two tripod stand with shoulder mannequin head. I'm gonna show you the shoulder mannequin head. Just wait. Don't be in a rush, guys. Okay. So we've stand the tripod. Now let me show you the shoulder manicure head. You can see it's ugly. This my shoulder manicure head is so ugly, but there's nothing I can do about it. Okay, manicure head are so expensive at the market now. Everything are skyrocketing, and this very one I bought was not the original one. Oh, yeah, it was not the original one. But if I should tell you how much I bought this one, it will surprise you. Well, there's nothing else we can do. We move, okay? We move. Now I had to decrease the size because it's too long. I had to decrease the size using the second button or the second tab. Can you see? So this is exactly how you can stand your mannequin head. Stand your tripod stand. Is very simple. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching. Do well to support my ministry by hitting the subscribe button. Do well to share my video with loved ones. Okay. And see you in my next one. Do have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye bye.